Okay, I just fixed how to change level, game level, by using collision box. I go into the store, go back here, and I go back here. Yep, this is what. So I'm gonna go there. How does this work? So there are two maps. This is the valley map, and the other one is not static content. I'm using third person map. So go back here. So third person map. So this is two map that I'm using. If I go to content, I created two actor. This is actor, BP gate. So here, this is what I did. So the door is just an aesthetic. Oops. The door is just an aesthetic. So the one that worked is the trigger. Whenever the player collide with the trigger, this is the bounding box. Trigger. This is the collision box. Event. The event is trigger on component overlap here. And we're gonna attach it to the actor. Cast to BP third person character. And we're gonna change it to open level. It will connect to open level. And we name it the level name is third person map on there. So it will trigger and move to third person map. Okay. So that's the BP gate one, which is actor one. If I go to BP gate 2, same thing. If we go to the viewport, the door, this is just an aesthetic. We just focus on the trigger, which is the collision box. See that? Box collision. So basically when it's collide, when the player collide with the collision box, it will trigger that event. It will trigger this event. One component begin overlap. It casts to the third person and move to next level. This is so much easier in Unreal Engine than coding with C++ directly from scratch. The blueprint is very easy to navigate. So that's how the door is triggered. So what I did is on the third person map, I put the BP2 gate. If you look at BP2 gate, you'll go back to the valley. Now, if I go to the other map, valley, this one is BP gate 1. You see here? So the BP gate 1 is going to third person map. So that's why it will trigger, when it's collide, it will trigger this bounding box. We move to the other level. And I put the player start, is this right here. I think you should move it back a little bit. And oops. Okay, let's see if it's working. Yeah. Yes, it triggered this. So click and run. Yeah, so that's how we change game level or game scene or game map, whichever you call it, but most appropriately it's game level changes. So that's how this works.